Okay, let's start from scratch. Hello and welcome. I'm going to save this from my time. I'm not going to make it any longer. I can save a little bit from my presentation. Thank you for having me. Thank you for being very patient with me. I would like to check first of all if you can hear me clearly. Can you move a little bit and maybe stand up to show me that you're here and that you're live? Oh, good, good. I see like 2-3 people standing. That's good. You need to move the arrows a little bit, then your character is standing up. And then you can, for example, press F1 to wave at me and say, hey, I'm here. Hey, yes, exactly. And then we can dance. If you press F7, we can all dance a little bit. Yes! Have you been to a conference dancing before? Okay, I only see like 2-3 people dancing, so it's to be honest, you're a little bit a lame crowd. You only have to press F7. You move a little bit and press F7 to dance. Yes, good, good, good. Cool. Okay, thank you. Let's get to business and to the serious part. You can stand or sit down and or dance a little bit more, and I'm just gonna give you my pitch quickly. Rebartek is a robotic construction startup, and construction has a lot of challenges, and productivity is one of the big challenges. So for the last 20 years, construction industry has been stagnating, and manufacturing industry at the same time has almost doubled their productivity. And when you look at manufacturing industry, it looks like this. It's like robotic, it's automatic, and it's mass production of the same thing over and over again. So, construction industry looks like this. Manual labor. It's hard, dangerous manual labor, and every project is a one-off. So that makes it much more difficult to automate. And this guy here, he's working with rebar. That is concrete steel reinforcement bars. And actually, that's everywhere around us. So it's in houses, in buildings, on roads, in tunnels. You name it, it has rebar in it. And it's a surprisingly big industry. It's 160 billion euro. And a single huge construction project uses up to 30 million euros just on rebar. So this is a huge problem for the construction industry. And now let me show you our solution for it. It has two parts. One part of the solution, computer can do it today, is our mobile factory. And the idea is to bring prefabrication out onto the construction site. So instead of having a worker install one bar by hand, we use our automated factory to assemble them by a robot and then weld them together by a robot. And thus you save a lot of time and labor and actually also material on the construction site. And a fully utilized factory saves our customers up to 2 million euros. Then the other part of our solution, to actually be able to use such a factory on the construction site, you already need to think about that in the design phase. So when you start designing a structure, you need to think about, okay, how can I do that with a robot? We are going towards mass customization. So we are building a catalog of different rebar cages that we can offer our customers, and then the customer can use our software to adjust the cages to their project. The software is smart enough to save material and then to automatically transfer the instructions to the robot how to make the cage. So the way we scale this is that we built a decentralized network of mobile factories, and we give the design software to our customers so that they can adjust the cages to their projects. Okay? A lot of stuff happening here today. And then we sit in the middle and operate this remote network from our mission control room. So we have the prototype of our factory. It's stationary right now in our workshop here in Norway, and it's making real rebar cages for real customers. And so far we have delivered 13 pilot projects to local customers here in Norway. And what we see that in the best case, we can save up to 90% of time on the construction site through prefabrication. And that saves a lot of time and labor on the construction site. Here you see like one of the good use cases for our solution is that we're working on right now is for tunnel projects. And you also see the method that we're working with right now. So it's a combination of human labor and robotic labor. It's not fully automated yet. And you see also this kind of flow production that the cage goes from one station to the next. So I see my time is up now. And that's also cool because it's the last slide. Thank you for having me, and have a nice day. Thank you. You can clap with F2.
F4.
Okay.
Hi there.